Industrial customers use a huge amount of gas, and if they want to decarbonise, they need to be able to access technologies like hydrogen to ensure they're not emitting CO2. And if we want to support these industries in decarbonising and ensure they stay here in the UK, we need to provide them with the solutions, and that's where hydrogen can play a role in East Coast Hydrogen as well.
Here in Broomfleet we're manufacturing clay roof tiles, and we're using natural gas to complete the ceramics process, and we're consuming somewhere between 80 and 100 gigawatt hours of energy coming from natural gas to do that.
Teesside Beam Mill has been producing sections for the construction market for now in the last 70 years. The reheater furnace is fired with natural gas, and it uses about enough to power 25,000 homes.
Many businesses are changing the way they operate to decarbonise their processes and protect UK manufacturing jobs. Industrial processes that require high temperatures need an alternative low-carbon fuel that can reduce carbon emissions without impacting product quality or requiring costly refits.
Here in the UK we're looking towards hydrogen as an alternative fuel. We can see that as a transformation of existing equipment.
We cannot currently fire our heavier products, so the bricks, with pure electric means, because we can't have the sufficient heat works to give the products the right properties.
So we have looked at induction heating options for the furnace, but we do recognise that hydrogen firing is a very viable way forward for low carbon heating.
East Coast Hydrogen is a proposal to supply low-carbon hydrogen via pipelines to customers in the industrial clusters of Teesside and the Humber. Northern Gas Networks would transport the gas from where it is produced to the businesses that need it, utilising existing gas pipelines in its network and building new ones to ensure a consistent, reliable supply.
In NGN's region, we have two big clusters, one in Teesside and one in the Humber. The great thing about these clusters is we have all the key ingredients in them. We have a lot of industrial customers that want to access the hydrogen, but there's also a lot of planned hydrogen production projects which can generate the hydrogen that is needed, as well as storage. So you have all of the key ingredients in two key regions.
With the East Coast Hydrogen project in place, Northern Gas Networks would provide a reliable supply of hydrogen to industry, enabling them to quickly and cost-effectively reduce their carbon footprint.
Here in Broomfleet, if we were able to have an uninterrupted supply of hydrogen, we would be able to take a large step forward in our decarbonisation ambition. Something in the region of 10,000 tonnes of CO2 per year could be saved.
We employ about 500 people on Teesside, and they're all passionate about the production of steel on Teesside. By moving to a low carbon fuel, it's going to help us retain the business, help meet customer demand, and secure everybody's future.
We own the pipes on the ground. We want to be part of the transition towards net zero, and we have a lot of customers asking us about how they can access hydrogen. So Northern Gas Networks can repurpose part of the pipelines that we've got, but also build those new pipelines to be able to connect to industry and ensure that they can access hydrogen where they need it.